Okay friends, just open your settings application, then select accessibility from the left side, then select display and text size, then scroll up, then you can see option of reduce white point. That means wherever your screen have a white area, if you turn on this one, that will be reduce the brightness. You can see now the display, all white points are reduced, so it is look extra dim like this. And also you can adjust this one, and if you turned on, it is on 80%. If you turn left side, it will be more bright, right side it will be less bright. So that's guys, it is reduce white point settings, and this will be useful whenever you're using iPad for reading anything at night. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.